my name's Rob. I'm with Ready Mixer. I'm an account rep here in Chute, Canova. I'm at the factory. Wanted to demonstrate a 3-yard concrete mixer that actually mounted on a skid. Wanted to actually start with the heart of the unit, which is the motor. This one motor runs the whole machine. It is a GX690, which you also have an option to move up to a GX800, which is a fuel injected unit. So we have the GX690, we have the fuel injected 800, and then we do have the electric motor that you're able to equip this unit or any other, the 4-yard or the 5-yard unit with. We have a belt driven from the GX690 hydraulic pump. This hydraulic pump right here turns everything as far as the drum is concerned. It is a steel reinforced hose that has a corrosion rubber on top of that to be able to protect any of the elements that it may have come in contact with. This container is where all the water is stored as needed. You're also able to connect a live hose to this unit, which would connect here to be able to give you continuous flow of water as needed. Here is your water control on off. Simple as that. And you're able to put the power to the back of the unit to where, again, we'll get to that hose reel and the pressure rod system a little later. The water line that you see running back through to the back of the machine is encased in a steel concrete or conduit. As you can see, it continues down the frame of the unit back to the hose reel. Here we have the pressurized unit, 50 foot of retractable cord. Then you have a short handle to be able to use this to spray off the residue and also clean out the chute as needed. It does have a replaceable tip. You can add different tips to it. It's a standard pressure washer tip. As we move down, we have one of the 3 areas that you're able to run this machine from. You're able to dump and you're able to mix. As simple as that. Again, this is one of the 3 areas that you're able to operate this machine from. But don't forget about the drum. The drum is an industrial steel that is 4 millimeters in thickness to be able to handle years of usage. Inside the drum, which is kind of hard to see, but the fins in there are 7 1/4 inch tall, which makes it easier to clean the unit. One, number 2, it empties all of the contents that is in the drum. As we move back, we have the ladder and the platform. Safety first, obviously, as always. We have a rail that goes around the platform that you're able to get up to the funnel, which makes it easier as you're loading. One, number 2, cleaning out the unit. We do have a ladder that is attached, one of 2, that has a 2-foot extension that you can let down if you're mounting this on a trailer or if you're mounting it on a truck. We have the hopper, which loads the unit. You can easily load it by a skid steer or a batch plant, whatever the application may require. One of the things that we added to this unit was the rotating chute. You're able to shoot from the left to the right or straight back from the end. And it also has the flip up chute, as you can see. Come around the machine, no different from the other side, but this is number 2 of the safety equipped platform with the ladder and the extension. This right here is the hydraulic tank. You have easy access to be able to fill the tank here. Has an overflow, and also we added to the new generation a cooling system. This is the pump here that pressurizes the water to the back. It's also is controlled from the main pump here in the front. I'm going to start the machine, give you a little tutorial on how it operates and how it runs, and I'm going to be pointing at the components as we talk or as we go through this. So if it's all right, I'm going to start this and we'll go from there. That concludes our video. My name is Rob. Again, I'm with Ready Mixer. You can find us at readymixer.com online. We do have different social platforms on LinkedIn, Facebook. Please reach out to us for any quotes that you may need. Thank you.